Hi, in one of our previous videos, I showed how we worked on fixing high fuel consumption in a 1990s Audi A6. We replaced the engine's coolant temperature sensor and intake air temperature sensor, but fuel consumption was still high. So today, we're going to look for an air leak, as unmetered air can also impact fuel efficiency. As you can see, we have a 6-cylinder gasoline engine in front of us, and we'll test it using soapy water and pressurized air. We'll feed the air through a hose that's disconnected from the brake booster, which connects directly to the intake manifold. We'll use a compressor but keep the pressure low to avoid damage. If there are any leaks, the soapy solution will reveal them and will determine where to replace gaskets. Now we're applying the soapy solution. We also remove the throttle body hose, and to prevent air from escaping through the throttle, we'll cover it with a bag or our hand. Next, we'll continue applying the soapy solution and start adding air. With the compressor, we'll pressurize the intake manifold gently. Look, we can already see where the air is escaping. The first leak is in the upper part of the intake manifold. We also noticed air escaping from the lower part of the manifold. Basically, the entire intake manifold is leaking. Now it's clear why fuel consumption is so high. We'll soap up the engine again and increase the air pressure to pinpoint where to replace gaskets and where to apply sealant. The issue here is that the upper part of the intake manifold was assembled without gaskets. Sealant was used instead. The lower part, however, did have gaskets. So now we'll need to disassemble the intake manifold, replace gaskets where necessary, apply new sealant, and check if this reduces air consumption. We removed and separated the intake manifold into two parts. It turned out that there were gaskets everywhere, but they dried out over the years and no longer sealed properly. We applied sealant, let it dry, and now we'll check again for any air leaks. The intake manifold is reassembled with all contact surfaces treated with sealant. Now we're applying the soapy solution and adding air. As you can see, there's no more hissing. The intake manifold is fully sealed. Looks like everything is good. Now we just need to test how this affects fuel consumption and vehicle performance. See you in the next videos.